is the day today? Ali?
Today is 11th of December.
Thank you. Sit down. Okay, students, who is on duty today? Who is on duty today?
I am on duty today.
Who is absent today, Rustam?
Camila is absent today.
Thank you. Sit down. Now, students, what was your home task for today? Yana?
New words by heart.
To learn new words by heart. Yes, we'll learn prepositions of movement, and your home task was to learn these prepositions by heart. Now, students, let's check your homework. Look at the screen and name the prepositions, okay? Name the preposition. Of. Yes, you are right. Next. Our, Diana. Name the prepositions. Hamza. Around, you are right. Around. Name the prepositions. Okay. Name the preposition. Rustam. Down. Name this preposition. Into. Yes, thank you. Now, students, let's begin our today's new lesson. Okay, now, students, please look at the screen. What can you see at these pictures? What can you see at these pictures? Ali.
I see the girl and a twin hours.
Okay, other ideas? Slava.
I see a waterfall, sea, and mountains.
Yes, waterfall, sea, and mountains. Other ideas? Yana?
I see extreme sports.
Extreme sports. And so what do you think, students? What is the theme of our today's lesson? Slava?
The theme of our today's lessons, extreme sports.
Extreme sports. Other ideas? Yana?
The theme of our today's lesson is Daredevils.
Yes, you are right. The theme of our today's lesson is Daredevils. And learning objectives for today's lesson, students, organize and present information clearly to others. Understand independently specific information and detail in short, simple text on a limited range of general and curricular topics. Provide basic information about themselves and others at this course level on a range of general and curricular topics. Now, students, look at the screen. Lesson objectives are give opinions about Daredevils using new vocabulary. Understand a text about Nigeria Falls. Then prepare own presentations about Daredevils and demonstrate it. Here are some information for you. You should know definitions of the words Daredevil and Nigeria Falls. Daredevil, Nigeria Falls. Okay, now students, look at these pictures. Daredevil is a reckless person who enjoys doing dangerous things. And Nigeria Falls, it's a famous American waterfall on the Nigeria River that joins Lake Erie to Lake Ontario on the borders between the USA and Canada. Now, here are some words which we need for today's lesson. Repeat them after me. Waterfalls. Daredevils. Tire trough. Stunt. Spectacular. Hero. Barrel. Survive. Prohibited. Fine. Now, students, open your vocabulary books and write down these words in your vocabulary. I'll give you 3 minutes. From 1 to 4 with paragraphs from A to E. Then we should check. Now, first of all, open your books, page number 52. This prepares for this task, students. Read the text without mistakes. then correctly match the headings. Now, Nigeria false, don't look down. Who wants to read?
As Niagara Falls on the border between the USA and Canada, the river Niagara suddenly falls more than 50 meters. Every hour, 2,005 million liters go over the waterfalls. Niagara Falls is popular with tourists, and because it was also popular with Daredevils. Three of the most famous were the Great Blondin, Silver Farini, and Annie Taylor.
Thank you. Who wants to continue? Rustam.
In 1859, Blondin walked across Niagara Falls 82 times on his crooked eggs while he was studying on the title. At first time, he nearly fell into the river while he was carrying a man on his back.
The day a man changed called William Hunt was in Nigeria with his girlfriend, and they were watching Blondin Hunt decided to invent stunts which were more spectacular and daring. The Blondins, he changed his name to Signor Farini and began to practice. In 1860, a crowd went to see Farini at Nigeria. He was walking along his tightrope when he stopped and climbed down a 30-meter rope to a boat. He had to bring the combat up the rope again and continued walking. He was the new king of the falls.
Yes, he was the new king of the falls. Alim, continue.
Here were many heroes of Nigeria and some heroines in 91. Annie Taylor became the first woman to go over the falls in a barrel. People were watching for 40 minutes before Annie's helpers opened the barrel. People weren't expecting to see Annie alive, but in fact she survived.
She survived.
Many others survived stunts at the falls in barrels, bows, or simple betting site. But a lot of people also died. These days, the devil acts are prohibited there, and there is a maximum fine of $10,000.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, students, I'll give you some cards. You should work in a pair and match the headings with their paragraphs. Okay? Students will check this task with the platform Learning Apps. Now look at the screen. Look at the screen. Now, a lady at the falls now. Who was a lady at the falls now? Who was? Who was?
Annie Taylor.
Yes, Annie Taylor. Yana, please match. Okay, let's check. Yes, you're right. Now, try to draw the hero. Great Blondin. Okay, Asya, please come. Let's check. Yes, you are right. Great. Now, students, the end of stunts at Nigeria. E. Let's check. Osman, you are right. And the last facts about Nigeria falls in the paragraph 8. Let's check. Yes, great work. You are right. Okay, students, now look at these descriptors and assess yourself. Players, assess yourself. Okay, Yana, your pair.
We have 2 points. I did it.
Yes, you read the text without mistakes and you correctly match the headings. Slava.
We have 2 points. I did it.
Okay, thank you. Radamir.
We have 2 points, I did it. We have 2 points, I did it.
Okay, the next task. I'll divide you into 3 groups. The first group will be the group of Great London. The second group will be the group of Signal Farini. And the third group will be the group of Annie Taylor. And task for the groups. Working in a group, you should present information about Daredevils. Descriptors for this task: present the main information about hero, creative submission, and of course work in a group. Now, this cards for the first group. You should use all these things and present, demonstrate information about Daredevils. This for you. You should demonstrate about, give information and demonstrate about Signal Farini. Annie Taylor. Use all these things and present your information. First group, this one.
Firstly, about Nigeria Falls. This waterfall is popular with Daredevils. In 1859, London walked across with Nigeria Falls in 8 seconds.
On he cooks eggs while he was sitting on the tightrope. And at the time he nearly fell into the river. He was carrying a man on his back.
Okay, thank you.
That day, one man goes at Nigeria with his girlfriend. This man decided to invent stars, which were more spectacular and daring.
Okay, spectacular and daring. Thank you. First group, thank you. The second.
Look, he's carrying a man on his back.
Oh my God, it's so spectacular and daring. It's great.
Great one, he's Daredevil. I'll change my name and become Farini. I will be the queen of the falls.
Farini, Farini, Farini.
Farini first. Damas.
He stood and climbed down 30 meters to a bound.
Oh my God,
He's the new king of the waterfall. Thank you, Sudan.
Dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today the 1901 Annie Taylor became the hour falls over the barrels.
Heroes of Nigeria Falls.
We are waiting Annie for 40 minutes. Help us open the board.
Annie, how are you feeling?
Great.
Thank you very much. You knew fulfill today.
Thank you very much. Third group. First group, you should please assess the second group. You should use these descriptors.
They can present the main information about creative submission and work in a group.
Okay, thank you. The second group, please assess the third group.
The next point, they can present the main information about hero, creative submission, work in a group.
And third group, you should assess the first group.
They have 3 points they can present in main information about hero, creative submission, work a group.
Work in a group. Okay, thank you. Sit down. We are task individual works. We'll learn new words. We'll read the text about Nigeria Falls and Daredevils. And now you should do the test. We'll do this test in this program, okay? Now I'll send you the link, please. Asiya, Yana, Ksyusha, Diana, Ali, Osman, Rustam, and the other students are here. is the second and Yana is the third. Thank you very much. It's yourself. How many points have you got?
I choose the correct sentence is 4 points.
You have 4 points, yes?
Choose the correct sentence, 5 points.
5 points. Okay, you choose 5 correct sentences. Okay. Phyllis, what about you? How many points? Сколько баллов, Phyllis? 4 points. Thank you, sit down. Ksyusha, how many points?
3 points.
3 points. Thank you, sit down. I'll give you the other task for Ksyusha and Phyllis. Complete the sentence.
I choose the correct sentence is 4 points.
Please, Ksyusha, have you finished yet? Classmates. A reckless person who enjoys doing dangerous things. Daredevils, yes. The second, a famous American waterfall. Yana?
Niagara Falls.
Niagara Falls, yes. New king of the falls. Yes, Karine. And the last, a lady at the falls.
Amy Taylor.
Amy Taylor. You are right, Yana. Very good. Thank you. Let's play the game Spider Web. By asking and answering questions, you need to create spider web. Come to the blackboard, please. Okay, let's start. I'll begin. What do you think about Daredevils?
They are brave people.
They are crazy people.
Okay,
Which film that
be calm, please.
scene starts? I have seen the film Mission Impossible.
Mission is impossible. Okay.
I have seen Spider-Man.
What places in your country are spectacular?
What places in our country are spectacular? What do you think? What places in our country are spectacular? Какая местность у нас в селе, например, зрелищная, можно считать?
Dallas River.
Talas River, then,
I think Dallas River for me is spectacular and dangerous place.
окей. What else? А еще что может быть опасным у нас в селе? Look at the window.
Mountain.
Yes, mountains.
What are your careers and careers why? My favorite health cricket.
My favorite toy is Ladybug.
Ladybug. Okay, next.
My hero is Spider-Man because he is very brave.
He is very brave. Okay.
My hero is Harry Potter.
It's Harry Potter. Okay, great work. We'll do a big spider web. Thank you very much, sit down. For this task, students, I'll give you for all students 1 point. 1 point, okay? Look at the screen. Cash machine. How did you work at the lesson today? Now, students, you should choose one of the crush machine. For example, it maybe green cash machine, blue cash machine, and maybe red cash machine. Firstly, please look at the screen and assess how did you work today at the lesson. How did you work today at the lesson?
I choose green cash machine.
Okay.
I choose green cash machine.
I choose green cash machine.
Why?
Because I nearly everything and care experts each author.
You understand everything and can explain it to the authors or others. Thank you, Siddharth.
I do DDC Bank.
Okay, thank you. Next, Asya.
I choose PCC Bank. I do Bank.
Okay, thank you.
I choose BBC Bank. I do PayPal.
Okay, next.
I choose green cash machine because I understand everything and can explain it to others.
Okay, thank you.
Choose green cash machine because I understand everything and can strike each other.
Give you some cards. Please stick on the blackboard. I'll give you home task. Your home task will be exercise number 4, page number 52. You should complete the sentences with the words in blue in the text. Thank you for the lesson. Goodbye.
Goodbye.